Hello friends. So let's start with the practical understanding of Jest installation and setup. So we will start from the scratch and setting up a new project. Let's start. So first of all we will create a directory with mkdir, and after creating this directory we will go inside that particular folder. So let's go inside that. Now we will initialize our project with npm init. After that, we will open our project inside VS Code. Next, we will install Jest package with the help of npm install, and we will save this dependency as a dev dependencies. Now we will create a new file sum.js. Inside that we will create a new function sum. So sum function will contain two arguments a and b, and that will return a plus b. So it's a sum of a and b. And we will export this particular function as a module.exports, and then we will create a new file, that is sum.test.js, so that it can test our sum.js file. So let's create a new file. So it's sum.test.js. And now first of all we will import sum.js as a constant sum, and we will give the path to the require. And then we have a global function of Jest that we call as test. So test contains the first argument as a description of the particular test case, and the second argument is a function. So that function will contain our logic for the particular test case. So this will contain the main logic that we want to test. So we are currently writing a expect function that contains a sum function with the argument 2 and 3, and it should be a value that exactly is around 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So just we need to test this particular case. And before running command, check that script should be Jest, and npm test should test successfully. So if it passes, then our test case is correct and it's passing. So now just change some value. So let's change some value. It's 5 to 6. Let's check that, and now it should fail. And it's failing. So that means our test case is not passing now. So let's change back to 5 and then see, and it will be passed. So this is the first example of how we write our test case, and let's check it's passing that we previously ran. So it's passing, so that means it's correct.